Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the host settings on Meet, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Meet, and I wanted to mention that when I'm recording my screen and I'm in a meeting, then you cannot hear my voice. So please follow the clicking that I will do. So right now I'm going to join this meeting. I hope you could see how you can find and what kind of host control settings are in Google Meet. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.